Is that not the sassiest crow you have ever seen? So sassy. You go, girl.
We are in the beautiful Whitsunday Islands. Although we've been here for around 4 days now, but the weather has not been great.
We are on Hamilton Island and it is beautiful even when it rains, so that's good.
So we finally got to use the drone at both Mission Beach and in Magnetic Island. The shots, I've got to say, are pretty cool, really fun to use. So yeah, check out these pictures that we got from both beaches.
In the sun. So 2 days ago we went and did jet skis. We did a jet ski tour around Airlie Beach, which was pretty good fun.
Yeah.
The waves were crazy. So I nearly went off the back, but somehow managed to stay on.
We did fall off once. My
Oh,
fault.
we did fall off once, yeah. That was his fault, not mine, believe it or not. But no, it was really good fun. Definitely check it out. It's a great way to see the islands, and you can go snorkeling at each place to stop off at.
We couldn't take the GoPro on the jet ski whilst we were going fast, so
We probably would have lost it in the Great Barrier Reef if we did.
but here's a little video of us on the jet skis and snorkeling and when we stopped at South Molly Island. Enjoy.
Check it out. So if you're planning on coming to Hamilton Island, there's lots to do. It's kind of better in the hot weather because there's lots and lots to do. But if you do come when it's rainy, there's lots to do as well. You can go go-karting, you can go bowling, you can obviously hire a golf buggy. But what else do you do when it rains? You just get a golf buggy, right?
Just drive around.
Just drive around in a golf buggy. Why not? on, Lewis.
Well, that's not going in the video.
Remember, if you subscribe to the website before March the 2nd, you'll be entered to win a scrubber wash bag. We have to tell you, they're actually really, really good.
We have been using it the last couple of days and we have clean clothes, which is good.
You literally just chuck it all in and wash it and it's done, and it's so quick, it's really easy, and the towels are the best towels I've ever used travelling.
Yeah.
And I'm not just saying that, they are fantastic. The sand rubs off them, they're really quick to dry, they dry you really quickly. Honestly, they are one of the best. I really recommend them, so check out their website as well.
We will see you soon.